Welcome to Bazar Exchange. Here is how to open an exchange ticket. We support local exchanges for Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and Nepal, alongside global crypto exchanges including Litecoin, USDT, and Ethereum. Let's look at an exchange example, converting Indian rupees to Pakistani rupees. Select India Exchange. Then choose INR to PKR. This is our new amount modal. It gives you complete control over your exchange value based on two simple options. Let's understand this using two scenarios. Scenario 1. Suppose you have a friend in Pakistan and you want to send them exactly 500 Indian rupees and you don't care how much they receive at the end. For this, simply select INR and type 500. That is it. Scenario 2. Now suppose you are paying someone who is from Pakistan and they want exactly 1000 Pakistani rupees. For this, let's select PKR and type 1000. Let's also enter the notes and submit. The confirmation screen will show you exactly what you have selected, what you are sending, what you will receive, and if there are any fees. One thing you must keep note of. This amount is not changeable after creating the ticket. So yeah, be sure before confirming. You can easily change anything with this edit button. After just confirming, it's done. Here is your ticket. Now let's see how to create a crypto ticket. For example, let's go to the Bangladesh exchange and let's select BDT to crypto. And it's simple and the same. If you want to send exactly 1000 BDT, select BDT and type 1000. And if you want to receive exactly $10, select USD and type 10. Note, this amount is actually flexible. You can change it later because crypto tickets are reusable. That is it. Let's submit and confirm. And here is our crypto ticket. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for choosing Bazaar Exchange. And happy exchanging!